If you are a beginner, then this posture is for you. Now we're doing Malasana. Place your feet hip distance apart or a little wider than that. Place your feet facing the side. Place your hands on your waist. Now take a slow and deep breath. As you're exhaling, go down. Inhale up. We can also add modifications for more balance. Stretch your hands forward. Exhale, go down. Inhale up. Exhale down. If you are a beginner or pregnant, we can also use this bolster for more balance. Bring your hands to your chest. Push your knees out. Stay in this posture while you breathe for 5 counts. While you're at the posture, also observe where you're feeling the stretch, your hips, your pelvis, your ankles. When you want to release from the posture, place your hands down, bring your knees down and go back to Vajrasana. If this is not comfortable, just stretch out your legs and go back to cross leg posture. One of the benefit of doing the Malasana is to improve your bowel movements, also feeling the stretch in your hips as well as your pelvis.